Hindi talaga yung Butatok, yung mga body combination ni Carl James Martin.
And of course, what started...
Oh, nice life by Martin!
Oh, his knees are robbed.
Oh! He carried this fight. Oh!
That finishing instinct of Carl. Oh, wow.
Naganap na nga po ang laban ng ating kababayan na si Carl James Martin kontra sa veteranong Thai fighter si Chaiwat Watkratok. Ang Thai boxer na ito ay may record na 40 wins, 8 losses at 26 knockouts. Habang si Carl James Martin ay may undefeated record na 22 wins, 16 knockouts. Nakatay sa laban ang bakanting WBO Global Super Bantamweight title. Tunghayan po natin ang nag-aatikabong bakbakan ng dalawa.
Unstoppable. Round number 1.
Mangunang magmak dyan.
Yes.
That is, it marks a very momentous event pang
The
festival.
bigger
Yes,
fighter.
he's the taller fighter.
Tsaka heftier. Makikita mo yung mga shoulder niya. May disadvantage din siya.
Yes, definitely. And you are right, sabi ng mga ilang fans, yes, may lakas. Oo naman, hindi ka naman kasi pwedeng masanction na Of course, Carl James Martin enters the ring with a perfect record. Everyone is waiting for...
Ulitin natin ang pinag-lalabanan nila title.
Yes. It's good to clarify that, no?
Yes,
syempre.
oo. Yun, bakante ang titulo.
Yes, for sure. Watkratok quickly. It's important, partner. This is a 12-round bout. It's important. Patience, pacing is important.
Carl James Martin is trying to size up Butatok. Baga sinasabi sa Pilipino against this bulldozer from Thailand.
Thailander versus Highlander. Both are known for their warrior mentality. So this is really a good fight that we're seeing right now. Sa ganyang punto. Ano?
Round 2 of this Butatok.
And Carl James Martin going to the body right there with that ripping
Cover
hook.
natin siya. Carl James Martin could beat you in 2 ways.
And of course, Carl has been constantly evolving. There you have it, a double body shot from Carl.
Siguro yung fruit of labor ni Carl James Martin at for MP Promotion, TGB Promotion, and Premier Boxing Championship. So, haligi ng boxing ang magsosuporta kay Carl James Martin.
You rarely see him resting on his laurels. So he's
Tama.
always up with a punch. At the same time, what I like about Carl is he's very patient, no? Especially in the early rounds, he uses timing. There you have it. Beautiful timing.
He's trying to gauge kung how to beat you. Medyo hindi lahat ng boxer may ganon capability.
Definitely.
So I think one aspect
Juniel Uduna watching from the land of the rising sun. Na sumusuporta kay Carl. Oh, huge shot by both boxers at that exchange.
that count was solid, that right of Butatok. Pero Martin countered with a lot of combinations.
That's what Carl James Martin also does. Ano? He counters with volume. Oh, Butatok with that leaping left hook.
Alam naman natin that Carl James Martin, hindi mo matatawaran. Mayroon lang siyang schedule na fight. He constantly training. So,
Exactly.
Yun rin ang ginawa ni
Counter right that missed for, but hindi naman ang boxing is more than just
12-round fight. So, I think stamina will be a collide between a Thailander and a Filipino.
and pacing, of course, ano, kahit naman sinong kalakas na tao, if you don't, mauubusan ka talaga. So it really is, it takes a lot of EQ. Pace yourself in a 12-round bout.
At saka itong si Chaiwat Butatok, I think he has a lot of fight. I think mabigat din to for Carl James Martin.
For sure, for sure. And like we said, you know, whenever you're fighting for a belt, it's always the fights who approve the fights.
And
Kaya,
this global title by the WBO. Para sa world title, siyempre.
Yes,
Lahat naman
definitely.
laban at makuha ang world title.
team title first and then you fight for a regional title.
Yun nga ang ginawa ni Carl James Martin. Is status of him right now.
But left hand that landed for Martin. Left hand that landed up top. But Kratok.
Oh, that left to the body. Connected.
Right. Top then, partner, no?
Try to bulldoze him. Yan ang game plan ngayon ni Chatwide Butatok. A nice uppercut by Carl James Martin. Oh!
And up top and absorb those punches. With that left also. And now the fight is heating up, Martin. Partner, both of them are southpaws, ano? So
Yes.
there has to be some to face another southpaw.
Yeah, maraming mga boxer dyan na ayaw lumaban ng
Because
south.
it's a huge adjustment also. Especially at this
Round number 4. Partner, doon mo sa nagsasabi, full house pa dito.
right, ano?
Oh.
Oh, that up top landed for Carl James Martin.
So, matibay kasi yung Thailander na to.
Oh, that lead left by Martin. Or it definitely hurt Buat Kratok, but Buat Kratok answers immediately. Yun yung sabi ko sa partner. Buat Kratok, rarely, sabi nga natin sa title ng show natin today, unstoppable.
Maybe, isa sa mga arsenal na dapat
Rica Aquino, Alvin Escoff, Real Fight
meron
PH.
pa po tayong main event after this. Esnit Domingo and Michael also take it out for the WBO Global
Kung
Flyweight.
hindi nyo kilala, si Chaiwat Buat Kratok. Take a look at his previous fights. Number 4, ranked 4 in Thailand.
Did connect for Carl James Martin. Medyo yung ano ni Butatok. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung sinyales na yon. He did connect with that right to the face of Carl James Martin.
Angle good.
Yan nalabuan nalalabi sa round number na to.
Nanonood ng boxing or hindi talaga fans ng boxing. Yeah, take a look at Chaiwat Buat Kratok. I mean, yung mga ranking na yan, you have to watch his fight against Milan Milindo.
Nice Butatok. He also tested by Butatok to see if may mga suntok na malakas din si Butatok na binato na natanggap ni Carl James Martin.
But Martin sharp with it, always in 2s, 3s. Uses that jab to land that power punch. But what that punch and counters.
But that is a scoring punch. 4 to 5 punch combination is a scoring.
As long as it lands.
Yes.
The gloves. Although it doesn't land, it has the ability to weaken you. Nakakapagod ka-protect kapag natataman ka pa ulit-ulit. It can take a toll on you.
Now Carl James Martin is testing the body of Butatok. Yes. The body. Yung activity ng Carl James Martin, yung dami na bato, napapansin mo. So, medyo marami siya bumato ngayon.
Now, Buat Kratok using pressure and using his legs to just corner Martin, but Carl answers with a combination there as he was getting out.
Oh, that body really hurts Butatok.
Answers with consecutive right hooks, both to the head and the body.
Oh, that
Martin
left
with that-
upper. Wow!
Oh, wow. Martin with that uppercut certainly hurt Buat Kratok. And he senses blood in the water, partner. Oh, wow.
I think Martin is smelling blood right now.
Yes, smelling that blood, that uppercut that got through the guard.
Wow!
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Just Buat Kratok.
Medyo sa katawan talaga.
Oh,
Ininda talaga ni Butatok
that's his
yung mga body
Achilles heel,
combination ni
ano?
Carl James Martin.
And of course, what started...
Oh, nice left by Martin.
Oh, his knees are wobbling. Oh,
Oh.
wow. He was able to roll that counter punch. Oh, another hook after hook by Martin.
Very resilient din yung Butatok, partner.
Of course.
Tinamaan na naman siya ng 1-2 doon.
Oh,
Oh!
wow. He was stunned by those punches and he is Still standing, partner. Counters with...
Oh, a little rubbery legs for Butatok right now.
There you have it, partner. Oh, wow, another punch that rock.
Daming partner, ang daming na-absorb ni Butatok. Malalaman natin kung this round number 6, how he carried this fight. Oh, he's sensing something.
That finishing instinct of Carl. Oh, wow.
Panalo si Carl James Martin via 6th round technical knockout. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? At hanggang sa muli mga kaboksing, paki-like at subscribe na rin para sa ganitong mga laban. Maraming salamat po.